Good morning, everyone. My name is Ivy Sopanit.
Hello guys, my name is Jedika.
Hi everyone, my name is Clarissa Rosemary Setiawan.
Hi everyone, my name is Cesil.
Hello everyone, my name is Sabasharna Julia. I'm from class 1A.
And today I will be introducing you to our three signature food and beverage from Semarang. So the first one is Mie Kopyok. So Mie Kopyok is a type of dish that is made from noodles, and then there's some bean sprouts, and then there's some tofu.
The ingredients that we need are garlic, seasonings, rice cakes, noodles, bean sprouts, fried tofu, celery, fried shallots, kinder crackers, sweet soy sauce, and chili. The first step is to smoothen the garlic. Next, add the crushed garlic to boiling water. Then, boil the noodles and bean sprouts. First, add the rice cakes to the plate, then add the boiled noodles and bean sprouts. Add the fried tofu and also add the water that has been infused with garlic. Sprinkle with fried shallots and also celery. Then add the gendar crackers. Drizzle with sweet soy sauce. And the Mie Kopyok Semarang is ready to be served. Thank you.
The next one that I'm going to introduce to you is the Bolang-baling Cake or Kue Bolang-baling. Kue Bolang-baling is made from square-shaped dough, which is then topped with sesame seeds and then fried until golden brown in color. It has quite a crispy texture on the outside and airy and soft in the inside with a sweet flavor. So the first ingredient I'm going to use is flour. I use the medium protein one. And then there's sesame seeds, and then there's yeast, and then there's one egg, and then some warm milk, and then some cooking oil, and lastly some sugar. Now I'm going to start making the liquid ingredients by adding warm milk and then adding sugar and some yeast. I'm going to let the yeast develop for some times. And then after it bubbles up, I'm going to add some oil, around 4 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm going to add half an egg and I'm going to mix it well. After that, I'm going to prepare the dry ingredients, which consist of some flour and some salt. And then I'm going to mix it. And then I'm going to add the liquid ingredients to the dry ingredients. And then I'm going to let it rest for around 1 hour until the dough develops to double its original size. And now I'm going to knead the dough. Now, why is it called kue bolang-baling? Well, it's not actually kue or cake, but it is a type of bread since it uses yeast. And then now after kneading it and cleaning the top of it, I'm going to apply some water on the surface of the dough so the sesame seeds can stick to the dough. And after that, I'm going to put some more flour and then I'm going to portion it. Fry in high heat so the dough can actually puff up while turning it around. And then I'm going to introduce you to one of Semarang's specialty drinks, which is Wedang kacang tanah.
The ingredients needed to make Semarang-style peanut wedang are 150 grams of peeled peanuts, 1.5 liters of water, 100 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 pandan leaf, and 500 milliliters of coconut milk. The first step is to boil the peanut in water until they are boiling and tender. After that, strain the peanut. Next, prepare a pot with water, add the peanut, salt, and pandan leaf. Then boil the peanut over medium heat. Add the sugar and then coconut milk. Once it reaches a boil, the Semarang style peanut wedang is ready to serve.